And what's so great about this area is after that ancient beechwood, we've got heather, moorland over the side there. And then we've got a stand of these Scotch pines, which I just think are self-seeded. I don't think they're planted in any form of man-made plantation form. And they've managed to survive here in the middle of this oasis of moorland. You've got marsh bog grass dotted about, and then you've got wimberry and all sorts of moorland type heathers and areas of low-lying silver birch dotted about on this moorland. So the variation of habitat within this area, we're very fortunate. And this area in the spring, come April, we'll get if we're lucky, we'll get the cuckoo, or cuckoo as some people call them. I call them cuckoos, coming over from Africa. What a noise it is to hear up on these moorlands, looking for the nests of reed warblers, who obviously must live up here, and then they push out the eggs and lay their own cuckoo eggs in there, and the reed warbler just brings up the cuckoos, and the cuckoo doesn't have to do any sort of work then. That's a predatory type symbiotic relationship within nature. It's a wonder the reed warbler has actually survived.